In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can promote your YouTube videos for free using this amazing and this secret website that I'm gonna share with you that has million of users monthly. So let's get started. So what you need to do first guys is you just need to choose the video that you want to promote. So for me, for example, I want to promote this YouTube video over here. So just go to your YouTube video, click on share, then click copy. Step number one, copy your YouTube video link. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to go to Pinterest. Yes guys, we will use Pinterest to promote our YouTube video. If you go to Google and you search for Pinterest, how many users in Pinterest, as you can see over here, Pinterest has 450 million monthly active users. Million of people are using Pinterest monthly, as you can see guys. Okay, so what you need to do if you don't have an account, just go to Google, search for Pinterest, click on the first link over here, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. It's easy and simple. Okay, so what you need to do next is you just need to click over here on home feed, click on create pin. What you need to do is you need to upload your YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so go to your laptop or to your YouTube video on YouTube and upload this thumbnail. Okay, so you should already have this thumbnail on your laptop. Just click over here and I'm gonna upload, for example, my YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so let me see. This is my YouTube thumbnail. For example, I will click on open and you will be in this page. Scroll down, you should see over here link. Put your YouTube video link here like this. You need to put your title and your description. Okay, so just go back to your YouTube channel and copy your YouTube video title. Go back to Pinterest, put this title over here like this. Okay, description. Go back to your YouTube video and copy your description. It's really easy and simple, and it's for free. You can start promoting your YouTube videos for free. Okay, put your description here, scroll down, click over here on choose board, and if you are new, click on create board and just give it a name, and you can create as many as you want. So I already created those. I'm gonna choose Pinterest, this one. Scroll down, you need to put tags here, keyword about your topic, about your YouTube video topic. So my YouTube video, for example, is about Pinterest affiliate marketing. I'm gonna copy those keyword, and they can put those keyword for tags here. So what you need to do next, click over here on publish, and here you go guys. You just promote your YouTube video on Pinterest. It's really simple and easy. This is your YouTube thumbnail, YouTube title, description, and your YouTube video link. So people who are using Pinterest, people who are interested in Pinterest affiliate marketing, they will find my YouTube video like this. If they click on my YouTube video link like this, they will be directly in my YouTube channel. As you can see, they will be directly and they can watch my YouTube video, as you can see. Okay, so that's how you can promote your YouTube videos on Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching guys. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and leave a comment, and see you in my next video.